We got the top 2 deals at the deep. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So yeah, we got some clearance and some deals that we got going on this month. Basically, we got the mowers, we got the mid, the low, and the high grade mowers here. If you guys do look at the right, you guys do see the 18 volt, which is the lower tier. That was basically targeted to the smaller yards, a very small yard, and medium to small yards, basically. So this one's $299. It is only a 16-inch push mower. And then we got, like I said, for really small yards, I would definitely stay away from these if you guys got a medium yard. And then here's a more lower tier weed whackers and blowers there, like I said. And then one thing I would definitely buy is this pruning saw. This is an 8-inch pruning saw for $99. And then this pole saw, I do have this pole saw. This thing's a beast. And then you got the replacement chain. So definitely go with the Ryobi if you're going to be replacing some chains on your chainsaws. They are going to be cheaper than your Milwaukees and DeWalts and all that. Alright, so mid-tier, this is the 40 volts. Obviously, when you're stepping up the voltage, you're going to get some more power. This is for a medium to larger yard, or more power, more powerful. So $449 for this one. It's actually a pretty decent mower. They've been making mowers for quite a while, and then 40 volt not the exception there. And then of course Milwaukee is going to be targeting the professional. This does run on 2 batteries, and 2 18 volt batteries. So this is $10.99. Yes, it's really expensive. So at this price, you might want to think about going with the Ryobi 40 volts. And if you guys want to get the accessories, yes, Ryobi does have some nice accessories, some cheaper accessories than pretty much the other brands. And then the blowers, yeah, I do have this blower, but I would definitely wait on these until we get the buy more save more, or a holiday deal if you're looking for a blower, or until I post a video. Because if you guys don't know, I do post videos of these deals and glitches that Home Depot make, and then you get some crazy deals. As a matter of fact, if you guys did get any deals this year from my channel, let us know down in the comment section what deals did you get. Alright, we've got the power scrubber. These are the newer power scrubbers that they got going on, and yes, they are expensive. This one's the sprayer, I believe, but they do got power scrubbers. There's another section you guys could look at and get get some power. These are the brushes. They're $9.97, so not that expensive. And then these are brushes even for the drill, so these are even cheaper at $10.97. And then you got that's the hard, and then medium, and then the blue is gonna be the soft one, basically. So definitely get those if you guys need. And a pressure washer, $329 from 3,200 psi. So it's not too bad. It is gas, so that's pretty good. 2.3 gallons per minute. And then you got the electric, the lower tier, for $139. Yes, I believe the years before this was $99, I believe. And then yes, this is the comparison between the single battery and the multi-battery, the newer blower, which is almost twice the price. If you guys do look at the price. And if you guys do look at the profile on these, one's going to be thicker or wider. Like this one's going to be much wider than the M18 fuel. This is the M18 times 2. So 2 batteries are required to operate this tool. And it is 600 CFM at $299. And then for this one's $450 at $179. Obviously, the other one's double the price. Almost double the price. And these are the new cement mixers or mud mixers, whatever you want to call it. I never seen these before, but I was very curious about how they, what the ratings are these, and the settings and everything. So kind of something new at the stores that we saw. So $3.89 is the price. They have a whole bunch of these. And then yes, this is the cleaning section. Basically, this is where you're gonna find this one. This one's actually cheaper. It's $119. The one they have for this year does have the spray nozzle, so you are able to spray soap, I believe. So that one is $169. So definitely check out the cleaning aisle if you guys are looking to get into that, that cleaner. Then they do have the accessories for the drills and multi-purpose cleaning kit that they call it. The drill brushes, and then they got some more. So they got all kinds of different. I'm not going to show you guys all of it, but they do have different types. All right, so the clearance section. This is the shears, the 8-inch shears from Makita. And you guys double check the price on that one at your store, because most of the time they do not upgrade or update the stickers on those. They got the vacuum with the scrubber or power brush for $79. This is the first time I see this thing. I only see the vacuum, the Dustbusters type, but this one does include a scrubber or a brush, so you guys could get a deep clean on those textures. And this is the old Dustbuster that they got going on, and then they got the regular vacuum, stick vacuum that they call it. I didn't even know they made a stick vacuum on this. So, all right, we got some Milwaukee. This is a drain trap snake, 25 auger with cable drive. You got the transfer pump, the M18 transfer pump. Got the M12 air snake drain cleaning air gun kit at $3.99. Make sure you guys get a good seal on that before you guys press the trigger. $2.69 for the drain snake kit is the M12, and then you got the M18 fuel. So this one's the big boy here. The cable drive $4.75, and then they got all sorts of pipe wrenches, and I gotta get one of these for my drain snake. $56 for that, and then they still got some of these holiday deals that they had going on. Now new lower price, so that was $9.84. They got some flashlights. This is the Coast Work Lights 1000 lumen. This one's $17.04. They got this 1000 lumen flashlight with batteries for $15, down from $28.27. And then they got the 500 lumen for $15. And none of these are the 500 lumen. And then the 350 that we just saw for $8.50. They got the 1000 lumen for $12. And then the 500 lumen for $12. That's this brand there fits. Got a 3-pack of focusing flashlights from Husky. $17 off from $19.88. Got the Energizer. So this one's you can plug them in and recharge them. $5.54 down from $10.97. Then you got the drawers. Yes, these are the drawers from Husky. I never see these before at the stores, so might as well take a look at it. Something new. It does have the looks like metal bearings or metal guides at the sides. This is compatible with Connect system. $44.98 for the 2-drawer, 22 inches. And then they got the organizer here with metal latches. Pretty interesting what they did here. Kind of like the heart, basically, from Walmart. $12.98 for the 12-inch waterproof storage bin. And then this one's clear, so you guys could see what's inside. But it's very interesting, what they did here, basically. So, and then they got the fuel. You buy one, get one free. So buy any of the kits. There on the top, get the corresponding battery at the bottom. That 5 amp hour battery is the newer battery, and then you get the 8 amp hour battery with the M18 kit. Then you got the batteries. There is, I believe, a bigger one and a small one for $179. And then you got some kits here, circular saw and a hammer drill for $299. That's the 8 amp hour battery you're gonna get for free with that kit. And then you got the 2-pack there for $179, and then a 2-3-pack for $149. 5 amp hour battery. That's the one you're gonna get for free with the M12. You got some sweatshirts here for $42. I'm from 54. Pretty nice. Alright, so this is the middle section of the store right when you walk in. Alright, so we got $34.97 for the 3-pack bimetal from Diablo for the oscillating blades. These are supposed to be one of the better ones out there. They're supposed to last a long time. And then you got the reciprocating saw blades, a 2-pack of 9 inches, general purpose carbide, and a nail embedded wood. So it's wood with nails. Now you got a pruning blade. So different prices on, or different types of blades. And then you got these for around 14 something. So these are pretty good value. They're on sale right now. They got the buy one get one free on these on some stores. I don't know what's up with it, but they do have that vacuum on some of the stores that says free accessory with the purchase of a vacuum. So I don't know if they're still doing that, but they do have, if you guys do see, they do have a 2-pack of filters. So I don't know if that's cheaper. They do have a buy one get one free of these. So you get a free battery. This is the battery you're going to get for free. It's a 2 amp hour battery when you purchase a nailer or pin nailer. That's it right there. Then they got this all metal designed reaming pin, $14.97 2-pack. They got the aviation snips, definitely a nice tool to have. You got the right and the left cut, and then you got the straight cut basically. So that is the right. The green one is the right. The yellow one's the straight, and then the red one's gonna be the left. Alright, $12.97 your choice here. Buy one get one free from Makita. These are excellent deals, killer deals. The circular saw, the ratchet, that reciprocating saw, the angle grinder is really nice. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals on this one. You do have to end up purchasing that $249 kit or the $279 kit. And I would definitely go for the $279 kit since they're up the better tools. You got the Stay Dry and Cool work skin from Milwaukee. Now these are $34.97. This is an extra large. Got some hats there. And yes, the buy more save more is still active. Let us know that in the comment section if you guys did get any of the glitches. Every time, you know, Home Depot posts a new deal, sometimes they glitch out and they do give you double the discount. And that's what happened for about 2 or 3 hours. And we ended up posting that. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel so you guys won't miss any more of those glitches and any more killer deals. A lot of people got double the discount on these tools. Right now they do have the buy more save more, just only the regular buy more save more. They already fixed that, by the way. But still pretty good deals. But if you guys did get any of the tools, let us know in the comment section. So you buy that $550, you get $175 off. So that's a really good deal. $450, you get $100 off. $350, get $50 off. So any of those will do qualify for this deal. But yeah, I ended up getting this rotary hammer. And the impact wrench, high torque impact wrench was a good one. And what else did I get? Oh, I got the right angle impact wrench. So DeWalt is running the buy one get one free too. Lots of good deals on this one, especially with those 6 amp hour batteries. So you buy any of the 2 tools or 2 kits, you get 2 batteries. You buy 1 toolkit or 1 tool, you get 1 4 amp hour battery. Obviously, the 6 amp hour batteries are the ones to get. These are on clearance for $99, down from $139. This is the brad nailer from Ryobi. And you got the corner cat sander, $23, down from $44. And then same thing with Ryobi. They're doing the buy more save more. So $299 will get you $100 off. And those are the batteries, the 6 amp hour batteries, high output, or the HP. You got the inflator, so I would definitely go for this inflator. It does have the high volume and the high pressure inflator and the auto shut off. So all the features on this, definitely check that one out. This one's $199. You get the rolling toolbox and impact driver, drill driver. Pretty good deals. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. My throat's already killing me. Don't forget to help with this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.